What's up, ACX here. I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm looking for in this evening's session. It's the lunchtime right now in America, so we're just redoing a scan here on finviz.com. I showed you about this website on the video that I made about stocks, and literally what I do here is the gap up 3%, and I do the vice versa down 3% as well with the descriptive, which is over $2 and over 400,000 in volume. I want stuff that's liquid throughout the day, not died out in volume. So this is how I'm going to scan for things, and you see these stocks here: AMD, Val, Apple. What else? We've got SICK is looking very nice. Try to get over that high. Good pump today. ANTM, very good bullish day. And now I'm just going to do the same for down 3%. So you can see things here done by volume. AKS actually started off down with a gap down, and it's gone red to green. We're just going to look at stuff such as ACIU. Add that to the watch list. I say wash list or what's watch list. OCX has my eye. I think I already had that in from this morning's pre-market. A lot of things going red to green this morning. I think that'll be enough tickers for the minute. So we're on the 5-minute chart here. You do need to buy the data to give you the free stock exchanges, the main ones, to get real-time data. If not, this guy look all patchy and gaps all over this price action. It won't look clean. So Microsoft today, we marked out this range early in the morning. We had the 2 tap. Came up and was maybe thinking of a reclaim below or a retest that held and go long, but it's not really giving us none of that. It's just broke out and it's just got a major run here, but nonetheless this level still is in play. Facebook, we have the lows marked out here, and you can see this area now acting as resistance, so we'll keep an eye on that. If it goes over, like I said, and comes back, retests and reclaims, we'll look for a short. If it breaks out and it holds, we'll go long. You're playing this with no bias either way. Amazon today, we've got a small 2 test and it held here and ran, and it held again and ran. We should have probably gone long here, but we didn't, and you're retesting at this high of day anyway, so the risk to reward from here, you'll be aiming at the higher day, and it just didn't really give you that play. So we'll keep an eye on it just in case we get back on. If we get back underneath this level, you can see now it's a solid level. You had the tap, the breakout, the tap, the tap. So if it gets below, this is a very good level for a reclaim. And if we get on below, we'll short it. Netflix, trying here to reclaim that level. Could possibly go. We had the 1 tap, the 2 tap. We had a failed retest here. We could have gone short on that candle. But I'd rather wait, especially with the SPY being bullish today. You don't really fancy your chances and probability of going short against the market, and that's the thing about market breadth. You want to be going along with the trend of the market, the overall sentiment, especially when these other big sector names are all bullish. Playing one out the crowd isn't a great idea. Didn't quite make it on Apple. Microsoft been through that one. Twitter. Kind of this level that's holding, but I'd rather it be a 2 tap just to show a bit more of a stronger support level. Nonetheless, with the market going bullish, could be a good long, but I think I'll pass. TCF, actually, I want to show you this one. Caught this, tried to catch a feel in this one, but I didn't manage to. You can see here all about the reclaim. You had the 1 test, the 2 test. This is the setup that I preach. My MacBook's going a bit crazy right now. And we reclaimed it here, and we had a small little sideways candle and it ran, but we didn't actually get that one. But this level's still in play. This is what I mean, multi-day runners. We had the massive gap up from earnings, and we've just been going sideways. We had one tap, two tap, deviation, back in, and it retested this morning right at the open, but it literally just ran from the open. You had a good move. And then same here, this was another setup I've been preaching. The resistance, the one tap, the two tap, it went above, but close below, fouled, reclaimed the level, and now it's back on its way down. So you can play this both sides, both ways. As you can see, the SPY is just mooning. Yeah, baby. GME is just stuck in between a range. We're just seeing whichever way this wants to break. We'll keep an eye on it either or. No bias. You see strong resistance, strong support. In between right now. Keep an eye on it. CODX, we had the one tap, two tap breakdown. Was waiting for a retest, potentially reclaim. Didn't get it. Move on. Support that is still in play. Nothing going on there. EXO. We're right here right now. We're going to see if we fell off this level. And this is the thing. This is what I was talking about, the pre-market gappers. Sometimes they don't really give a sentiment about the market. You see the SPY is just bullish, but these ones that are just driven off momentum, you know, volumes just piling in, especially if they're a low float. But we'll see if we'll fail off this level or if we can reclaim it, especially with the SPY being bullish, if we can get above that. AMD, clear double top there. Got an eye on it. Val. Clear level. Keep an eye on it. Once you start trading this pattern, things are so easy to see. As you can see, I'm just flying through these in seconds. You just know exactly if it's something you'll be interested in or not. So 6 looking very, very good here. We've just had the breakout. So we'll see if we can hold this level. If not, if we get back below. Keep an eye on SPY as well, but these things, like I said, they've got a mind of their own. ANTM. Wow, that deserves just to go straight away for looking like that. As you can see, the earnings gap this morning. RCL. It kind of got sold off here and then broke above, retested, and now it looks like it's failing, but it's not too clean. You know, when you're risking your money, make sure you just do it. It amazes me how much people like to risk their money on shit setups. ACIUs, no setup for us. EGHT, not for us. PFG, clean as you like. As you can see, this low here as well. Double bottom, spike below. If it gets to this level here, just because of this price action, it hasn't actually retested from this deviation yet, so it'll probably take it long if it held. Otherwise, we'll be looking for it to get above and hold, or get above and come back under. There's 3 possible scenarios for PFG. And that's the lot, guys. So we'll keep an eye on these. If you're in the Discord, I will be posting any setups that I take. Take care.